normally like showing you these two tabs so that you can get to understand how the trading movement is moving. So today I will be trading something we call the high tick or the low tick. The high tick or the low tick. Those who do not know where that is, it's usually here. So if you scroll down, yes, you scroll down. Sorry, I'm on the wrong tab. So come to your traders hub, enter your traders hub, then go to debot. This is where you find now the high tick and the low tick, and you can use it to trade and make some good amount of cash. And when the debot opens, you will go to the bot builder. So like me, I go to the bot builder, and you see my volatility is 25 index, so there is nothing I will change from there. So where do I go and see that contract? If you will come to the digits, then you can see here where it shows high and all slash low ticks, that one. So you can trade either high tick or low tick. Are we together until there? So for us, we will be checking for high tick. High tick under how many? A candlestick of 3 minutes. No, you can maybe use something like 2 minutes. Let me change it to 2 minutes. Good. And the stake we will use something like let's put just 600 and see how it goes. 600. Yes, have you seen? We will predict 600, and for me I don't have the martingale, so I won't put it, but I will be running my bot as it is. So I will minimize my loss by just stopping the bot if I see it is moving on the wrong direction or it is not moving well. So for that we can go now straight to how to analyze the market. So under here, whatever you have set on this side, come set it, so I will move to 2 minutes. On the problem with my device having, it was raw, I never noticed. So let's proceed. So I was talking about volatility 25. So whatever you have set on this side, come set it on the trading chart in Deriv. So I've set the candlestick interval to 2 minutes as it is on the other side. And then, so how will we be targeting? So there are indicators that I want you to input. So we will use the exponential moving average. So number one, the exponential moving average. Sorry, the indicators tab is in the FX. So moving the exponential, just type exponential moving average. So you'll see it, as you can see, the moving average exponential. So there are things that I want you to know. So you will input the first moving average. So exponential moving average again, and another time. So you'll just input again the exponential moving average for the that time, and then I want you to set these moving averages to certain lengths. In the first moving average, we will use 100. That way, 100. You can see I'm putting it to 100, and you can change the smoothing line to EMA, and the style put 1:1 color, and maybe put it to color green. And then after putting it to color green, proceed to the next, this one. And then for the input, you will put this to exponential 20, exponential length 20, and it should be the EMA, and then put it to 20. And the style, change the color to maybe orange, and then the others just read them as they are, and the other one is this one. So the last let me pull this one above. So the last exponential moving average length, you will put it to 10 length, and it should be the exponential moving average, not a smooth moving average. Put it to 10 and leave it to the color blue. So this is it. You can see we are using a 2 minutes candlestick interval. So back here I have set the minimum number of ticks, and that's 5 ticks, this one, and the stake I'll be using is 600. And from there, now how do you take trades? This is what you do. After number one, you confirm that the market is on a downtrend. Yes, when you confirm that this market is on a downtrend, have you understood? On this chart, this one, kindly change now these candlesticks. Come here to the tools, see these tools, then input this one, area line. You see, I've been left with my the exponential moving averages. Let me change this moving average, the color to red, so it can be visible and not confuse anyone. So I'll put it like that. Understood? So I hope you have understood. Number one, before you trade, remember your candlesticks resemble this way. When you confirm that you are on a downtrend, now shift to there and put area. Understood? Yes, I hope we are together until there. So after you see that, and you see now the market is on a downtrend, yes, and just after the lines have crossed this area line has crossed the three lines, like we will see on the chart. When they cross the three exponential moving average, we will trade high tick. So with that knowledge, let's check for a market that on a trending market, and we enter a certain trade. Like now here on this, maybe let's go back to our candlesticks. So you see, like this one, the moment, let's just check a good market, let's not do that guesswork. Like this one, the moment the market was on a downtrend, so I guess you will allow me to find for the best market, so that I can explain very well. So whenever we see a downtrend, good, like this one, this is a downtrend, and we are using candlestick of 2 minutes. So whenever the market now crosses our area, so I'll shift now to my chart, because now I can spot that's a downtrend. So I'll come to the area, and whenever now this market crosses these three lines, I will purchase on my bot. I'll start now purchasing. Yes, I'll purchase high tick. Understood? So with that, we are going to wait for this market. Whenever it crosses upwards, and it crosses these three lines, we purchase high tick. So remember always to change the market to the right direction. So that's volatility 10, and I want to only focus on high tick, and my ticks they are all well. So this is 18 minutes, 17, 16, 15, so 14. I want this candlestick, this line chart to close above, so that I can purchase high. Understood? So you see we are close to the last line. This is the last line. So let's wait and see whether we will spot an entry. Yes, so I told you trading is very easy with a certain strategy, and don't be someone who like choosing many strategies. Just search for one, learn one, and do practice using the same strategy, and that strategy make it your favorite and kindly use it to make money and do many researches about it, and some you will get to understand. So I'm seeing the market still moving well. I'm waiting it to close. Don't know why it's behaving that way now. It has started to retrieve behind. So we will stay here on this market until we see a good confirmation that now we can enter and it has closed. So I'm waiting for it to close that green exponential moving average. That's the aim I'm targeting. Whenever it crosses I target, I'll just run my boot and aim for higher, very close, 42, 41, 40. So we still wait for the market to move well, and it crosses that line and you purchase. Yes, you purchase high tick. I hope we are together on this. Kindly like that. See, it's almost passing, so wait it to close very well. Don't have the rush to enter into the market, so wait for that market to close very well. For it closes those markets that line very well. Yes, so let's wait. Maybe that's another candlestick which is getting to get formed. So we are on another candlestick. You can see that's the other candlestick. So we will wait for this line chart to break up, and we purchase high tick. So you can see it has started behaving. So I'll just wait for that market to break above as our strategy tells us like that, and then I run my bot. Understood? I don't know why it's not speaking there. So after 5 ticks, yes, so we said sorry, there's something I told you. So sorry, high tick. So this one should be 5. I forgot to tell you. So you put it like that, and now you predict that it will be higher than 5 ticks, and that's it. You see, now we have begun to win because it's after 5 ticks, and you see the profit. It's amazing. So we wait. So it is retrieving behind, but let's see. This is how you enter the market. So the last tick, maybe we get out. Yes, you see we have won another one. So I'm waiting for it to close very well. So this is a very risky market, but if you win very well and massively, very well. So our candlestick has started, our line chart has started moving on the wrong direction, so we still wait. So I hope you can see this is like trading under 2 or over 7. It's very risky. So if you see the market trying to, maybe it's because of this zone. However, you see I've won that one, and I would have quit that market now because I have already won already several times. Maybe I can wait for another entry, another win for one, but as a good trader you can see we have reached a bad zone, so you can now quit. And with that, That's how you enter the high tick. The high tick, it's very risky, but you can get some good profits whenever you see and analyze very well. You can enter that market, and you see I've input my bot to prediction 5, not 1. Yes, are we together? So you can see the returns are good because you have already won. Yes, it needs someone who has capital, and now you can see it has started retrieving behind. This trade is very risky. This trade is very risky, trading high tick or lower tick. So if you have not made yourself conversant on trading this, don't try it. It can take you back to having losses if you don't know the correct entry points. This is like trading over 7 or under 3 or under 3. If you want to see, you can see the payout 600 to 15. That's a very big capital. You can try it and see. If you have understood, go try it on your demo account. Try whether you will see the results of that entry point. But I've told you, this market is very risky. The high tick and low tick. Someone told me to do the high tick and the low tick. It's very risky, and that is maybe if you can come here. Let's see. Yes, what would you have traded using? What would you have traded to get with 600? Let me see. You see, trading using 600, and then you can see 600 gives you a return of 1 ticks. It gives you a return of 600. And what over under? Over under, let's see what over under. You want to see under 3. Under 3. Yes, you can see it almost trading under 3. The high tick and low tick, it's almost saying that you are trading under 3 or over 7. You can see, let's see, over 7, close to that, over under 3. So similarly, as the same thing which happens, it's that it is very risky to trade under market, like under 3 and over 7. Same thing happens while trading the same trading using high tick or low tick. It's very risky. So without the right confirmation, knowledge, kindly don't enter the high tick. I was just showing you for you to get that knowledge, how to trade high tick, low tick. I've told you, as you do your research, trade all the contract types and then choose your best contract type and make sure you understand it fully. And with those few remarks, we say it's a good day, and let's meet in the next video. And I told you, comment below any strategy that you want me to illustrate here. I will show you. Understood? I will show you how it is done for free. We said we want to grow as a community, and there we are. We have to grow as a community, and with that, you can see our market, how it has been moving well. So if you are also a good trader, you could also use the same strategy to trade what we call rise and fall, or higher lower. So it can be a good time to trade higher lower or rise and fall. And with that few remarks, bye bye till we meet in the next video.